Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the baby Analos BSC token. Now this token is just about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. Now the original Analos token was very popular. I was just checking last night and this morning though, and it took a major dive, and so people are commenting saying it went down like a decent amount, like 60% or something like that. I mean, that's what happens with a lot of crypto tokens. They get the pump and then they get the dump, and that's just what happens in crypto. But now we have the baby Analos, a BSC token, about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. Now Analos, if you didn't realize, is Solana, a very popular blockchain right now. That is the name backwards, and that is the meme of this token basically. So now we have the baby token because that's what happens in the crypto world. You come out with the original one that's very popular, and then there's minis and babies and sisters and brothers and fathers and you name it. And now so we have baby Analos BSC. Obviously this is a Binance Smart Chain token. Ticker symbol is Bnblos. They're about to have their public pre-sale on pinksale.finance. You don't have to be on a whitelist or anything like that. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is just about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. It says the inverse baby version of Solana is now coming to a Binance Smart Chain. Get ready to make a Binance Smart Chain great again. Delivered by based devs and team. Soul rewards, so you get soul rewards somehow, maybe reflections. We'll go over that in a second here, or maybe staking. Staking and NFT rewards, it says also. Contract audited and renounced. Tax of 6%. Top tier KOL supporters. Based marketers on board. Twitter, YouTube influencers, DEX tools, BSC trending. Tier 2 central exchanges confirmed. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko fast track, mainstream advertising, BSC OG backers, huge marketing after launch. So this token does have a full audit that you can review, and I would definitely review this audit, as you should with any token before investing, because this is definitely not promotion of any token. This is just information about new coins. And you should always review the security of these tokens before investing, of course, right? So the CFG Ninja full PDF audit is on PinkSale for you to review. They have a Telegram that you could check out. It is at BNBLOS official. They have 114 subscribers so far. They have a link to their webpage, Telegram, and Twitter on that Telegram there, so you could find all the links there, basically, a full link tree. Now, they also have their webpage at babyanalos.com. So, 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 420 billion BNBLOS tokens. Initial market cap estimate for this project is $4,981. Now this is going to be a public pre-sale. Max contribution is 3 BNB. Soft cap is 10 BNB, and there is no hard cap. So basically that means the pre-sale is just going to continue until time runs out. No hard cap on the pre-sale. It's going to start today, December 28th at 14 hours UTC time, and it's going to run for 2 days and 1 hour, so all the way until December 30th, 15 hours UTC time. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Pancakeswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Baby Analos token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, babyanalos.com. Now, you're going to have to set your slippage around 6% for buys, sells, and maybe transfers. And it says liquidity will be locked on Pancakeswap for 180 days. Now, on their webpage, it says there is a 6% tax applied for buys and sells, and how it's split up is 3% is reward. So you do get 3% reflections in Solana for holding this token. It says 1% goes to expanding the liquidity pool and 2% for marketing. So half is reflections. That's not bad. So it says Baby Analos is a vetted Solana reflection token on the Binance Smart Chain with an auto claim feature. We made it simple. Just hold the Bnblos tokens in your wallet to earn Solana as a reward. On their webpage, they have a link to Pancakeswap, a link to the chart. So they have farming as a service, farming made easy for holders. They're going to have the Baby Analos swap. Swap any token on BNB chain in seconds. And staking, where users get a higher annual percentage and rewards. Holders of Baby Analos on BNB chain receive more Solana that is automatically sent to your wallet by holding Baby Analos in your wallet. The community receives more Solana coins from the 3% fee redistributed each transaction. You may have more coins overall, but they may not have more overall value. So there's a 420 billion total supply. And they're going to have periodic manual burn events to increase the value of the token. Smart contract renounced, secure out of the box. Smart contract remains unchanged forever. Now they are partners with PinkSale and DexView. On their webpage, you can find their socials. Their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual, joined in December 2023, has a link to their Telegram and their webpage, babyanalos.com, right on the Twitter right there. They talk about the pre-sale. They've only got 3 tweets so far. Lastly, there is a quick audit with no warnings on it by Cyberscope that you can check out in the description box, the comment section on PinkSale. So they have no warnings on their quick audit, but definitely check out the full audit. Always do your full research on all these tokens. Lastly, there is a token metrics allocation pie chart on here. 42.85% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 20.76% of the tokens go to liquidity. 21.1% of the tokens go to dApp Sol rewards. Then we got a small amount, 0.95% percentage going to airdrops, 7.5% BitGet listing, so that's going to be one of their central exchange listings. We got 1.78% going to CoinTiger, that's another central exchange, and lastly, 5% going to MEXC Global. So it looks like this token will be listed on a bunch of exchanges. Now, if you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, you'll see there's an MEXC Global one where this token is going to be listed. So make sure you check out those referral codes. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.